Hello, this is Claire. While reading this book, we learned about what to do in the heat of the moment with high emotions and creative, positive, restorative practices in the classroom. We learned about what questions to ask students when talking to a student about a situation with multiple students involved and how to respond to those questions. These are called victim-offender dialogues and high-stakes conferences. When students are returning to the classroom after being out for a long period of time, like being suspended, it is very important to how to handle it when they return and what steps to take for it. This would include rehearsing with the student, identifying a lifeline if needed, schedule follow-up interviews, and adhere to them, close to the loop with adults so that they can move effectively respond to the student's emotions, arrange an end-of-day check-in, and implement the following up plan. This is for students to feel welcomed again in the classroom when they are ready to return. In the classroom, it is always important to make sure that you are creating a positive and welcoming environment in your school and in your classroom. For example, this could be how you greet somebody when they walk into the room or the building, being in a place where students are always at, and having 2 different onboarding processes for the students and staff when entering the new building. Finally, it is important for teachers to know and educate their students on cyberbullying inside of the classroom. To do this, you need to require preventative mindset when teaching in the curriculum. There is a few questions that pop up. Some questions are they developmentally appropriate? Do they teach through examples and links to the harmful effects of cyberbullying, strategies they can use, suggestions to give students if they are a victim, and much more. Another way to hone preventative mindset is receiving training about sensitive topics. For example, lesbian, gay, bisexual, or trans, or questioning LGBTQ community, because everyone should know that they are safe and accepted into the school.